Hello children, today we are going to begin our geography lesson number 1, environment. As we heard the word environment, many things come in front of our eyes. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the land where we live. Now we will see what is environment. The place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Actually, it is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. The natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Now we will see what is the biotic and abiotic conditions. Biotic means the world of living organism like plants and animals. Abiotic means the world of non-living element, for example land. Means we can say that our environment is made up of both biotic and abiotic conditions. Now we will see the components of environment. In this diagram you can see the components of environment. There are the three components of environment: natural, human made, human. Natural means made by the nature. For example, living things, land, air, water. Human made means made by human. For example, building, parks, bridges, roads, industries. Human can live individually. Human can live in family. He can live in community. Means we can say that our environment is made up of many components. Now we will see the natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals, these things made the natural environment. Now we will see the diagram, domains of the environment. Now we will see there are the four main domains of the environment: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. So first of all we will see the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the heart of layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floors. Lithosphere is also very important because all living things are living on the land. Now we will see the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means liquid domain. The domain of water is referred as a hydrosphere. It has various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, ocean, etc. It is essential for all living organisms because you know that without water we cannot live, and that's why it is very important for all living organisms. Now we will move towards the atmosphere. Atmosphere means gaseous domain. It is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in weather and the climate. Now we will see the biosphere. Plant and animal together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support the life. Means we can say that only biosphere is there that where we can live. All living organisms live only in the biosphere. Okay children, today we have learned about the environment. We have seen how environment is important for us. Then we have seen the components of environment. Then we have seen the domains of the earth. We have seen that there are the four major domains of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere means land, hydrosphere means water, atmosphere means air and biosphere means living world. So children, today we will stop here. In the next class we will learn about the ecosystem. Now today for you the homework is draw the diagram of components of environment. Thank you.